I'm Jennifer Burkett, and I'm the CEO of, or Chief Warrior of eWarrior Naturals. Female athletes are pushing their bodies to the height of all of what they can do 7 days a week in order to get to the top of their game. The thing is, they're not afforded the same luxuries that their male counterparts are, which is all about recovery time. And this is the problem that we are solving as eWarrior Naturals, because we've created products that allow them to recover. The point is, there's not enough resources in general for female athletes, even though they make up 49% of all female or all athletes at the elite level playing today. We will become part of their rituals, their self-care, and their way to make to the top of their sport. There's a natural gap in the self-care space around sport, and we will fill it by being the choice of products that female athletes that they use in order to get to the top of their game. Our blue line, which is our sport line and where it all started, is all about creating something that female athletes can use again as a recovery product that will allow female athletes to move through sports unencumbered. Magnesium is also a critical piece of ingredient that we use in our sport line that really isn't being used in Canadian shelves or being seen on Canadian shelves right now. So we've included this in our MVP soak, in our magnesium compete and repeat spray, etc. Sport the sport ritual is something that we've applied to our product development, and we've created some products that all women, all warriors will use either on the luxury side of things or on the sport recovery side of things. These women might be moms, they might be businesswomen, they might be yogis or elite athletes. The point is, we know these women, we are these women, and we've created products for them. eWarrior Naturals is a self-care and wellness company built by warriors for warriors. Our pure, all-natural products are something that female athletes at the top of their game are really needing at this moment. These athletes and their incredible stories will inspire all women to use our products. With 25 years in digital programming and 25 years in communications and marketing, as well as coaching and life experience in general, we have the professional acumen to make this company succeed. But it's our personal connection to this brand that really drives us. We project our sales in our second year, which is where we're at right now in 2021, to be $67,000. But we hope to receive an investment of $40,000 this year in order to reach our year 3 goals of $250,000 to $300,000. So where do we go from here? Meet Rhea, the Road Warrior. She is our branded mobile experience that will help us reach our audience where they are in sporting communities and just in general across the country. It's all about content, and we are social innovators. We will be the place that allows female Canadian sports stories to move up the dial. Right now, they're only receiving 4% of media coverage as female athletes. We're going to change that. Rhea, our mobile space, is actually a maker space, a mobile space, and a retail space, as well as a broadcast space. We will tell the important stories of sport, we will sell our products, and we'll meet all of these wonderful athletes along the way. eWarrior Naturals will be synonymous with female sport, with being active and being a warrior.